What's the truck you have now?
It was replaced at 110,000 miles, and I'm at 560,000 miles. It pops out of third and seventh, which is pretty common. Yeah, my truck has probably 450,000 miles on the transmission, and it is pretty common for trucks to start over time popping out of third and seventh. I think that I've only ever driven one truck that didn't pop out of third and seventh, and that was DT3 after they replaced the transmission.